Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device so the recovery environment runs cleanly. Make sure the battery is above 50% and remove any case or external storage to prevent interruptions. Once done, power off the phone completely. Do not use restart. Now hold the correct key combination for your model, usually power plus volume up or volume down, sometimes home, and keep holding until the recovery menu appears. This boots a minimal system, isolated from Android, to let you repair or reset. Once in recovery, you navigate with the physical buttons because touch often won't work. Use the volume keys to move the highlight and power to confirm. Some devices use power plus home. Look for options like wipe cache partition, factory reset, and apply update from ADB or SD card. Choose wipe cache first for performance issues. Pick factory reset only if necessary because it erases user data. If applying updates, make sure the file matches your firmware to avoid mismatches. After completing the chosen action, select Reboot System Now so the device restarts with changes applied. This confirms if the issue is resolved. If the phone loops or fails to boot, return to Recovery and try reinstalling the firmware from ADB sideload or an SD card image, ensuring the package matches your model. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out apps and use logs or recovery error messages to guide the next step. This helps identify whether hardware or software caused the failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.